my friends? It's take two with your friend CryptoFace, and folks, today is our Sunday going into Monday video, but it's Monday already. We're gonna just go top to bottom, side to side, front to back analysis on Bitcoin with market Cipher. I am in a trade right now, and boy, let's just get on with it. First off, firing off the daily. Right now, we are smack dab in the middle of a trifecta Cerberus three-headed dog spider line wedged in beautifully. This is a beautiful, this is beautiful. To the dollar, we wedged in. Now, what is significant about this? And I'm not going to go over the same stuff everyone else has been going over, the same thing everyone else is going over. But what's important to me is if we can break over this 63.8, 64,000 line, the steel spider line, and get into this area. If we break into this area, 4 out of the last 6 times price action was in this area, it was a straight shot to the top or to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 5 and 6 that didn't. 4 out of 6. These two moves didn't. These two right here. But 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 6. 66% chance. 66% chance that if we can break above something about this gap right here, there's no spider lines there. There's no spider lines there. So boom, it goes through. So that's what we're looking for, of course, on the daily. Beautiful, immediate short-term money flow. Nice curvature. Nice curvature. Ours has came down a little bit. VWAP yellow oscillator, say cheese. We are up above. We are seeing the cheese. Momentum is coming up. I'm long. Long myself. Boom. That being said, let's go over a couple other time frames. The higher time frames, the monthly, for example, really ain't out of the woods yet. We ain't out of the woods yet on the monthly. It's going to have to take some time. Although we are at least in the woods. We're at least in the woods. VWAP below 0, little bits played out. Can't really say this is bullish. We just still looks the same on the month. Still the same bearish monthly. We'll see what happens. On the 2-week, kind of the same thing. Although momentum is on the high side, we are in the green on money flow. VWAP is down, hit a lower low. Looking for this to start pulling back up. That's what we're looking for. Pull up on the weekly. On the weekly, the head and shoulders on the momentum, boom, 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 has played out nicely. Is it done? Is it done playing out? We're going to see. But even if you came in at the start of the party, late to the party, this is still, what, a 5-10% move for 13-15%. So that did play out. That played out. Looking for it to pull back up. Let's go to the 3-day. Let's get into some real exciting stuff on the 3-day. Say cheese. Outward curve VWAP's coming up. Momentum. We're looking for this momentum to pinch. A slight curvature in. The gate is still open. The gates are still open. But on the 2-day, my lord, have you ever seen a doji, a doge candle look that clean? That is one of the cleanest doge candles you're ever going to see right there. Bullish. Momentum crossing over, VWAP crossing over, say cheese. Say cheese. Money flow is fighting. Money flow is fighting. We're fighting. Listen, if I had to maybe choose one indicator, I really don't like talking like this, but if I had no choice, if I was kidnapped by some gangsters, knock on wood, and I had to choose one indicator to go off of, it might be the 4-hour, 6-hour, 2-day, daily yellow VWAP oscillation. Boy, I tell you. The higher time frame VWAP is say cheese. What we're just looking at, the 2D. Daily. Start out with that. 12-hour forming, money flow, curvature. We're starting to see some shape. How long is that from now? 6 days. A week in this thinking form. Look at these RSIs. Nice and green, nice and tight. If I'm losing my voice, I'm sorry. This is the second time I'm doing this video. The first time I didn't hit record. What is this? The 12-hour? So 12-hour starting to kind of shape up, look good here. Starting to get a little antsy here. I'm getting a little excited. The 12-hour we were just on. The 6-hour. Starting to see a little curvature form on these candles. Not quite, but we're going to get to the lower time frames. Curvature here on the money flow. Momentum is above for the first time since June 7th. A month ago. It's been a month. Momentum has been down for a month. And guess what? What do you know? It's the first of the month. My brother has made a new strategy, trading strategy for himself. All he does now is trade the beginning of the months. So it's historically for Bitcoin, first of the month, bullish. First week of the month, bullish. Even the first 2 weeks, bullish. Next 2 weeks, bearish. It's not always like that. And even on the bearish moves on the first of the month, they're strong. The point is, beginning of the month, moves are strong, up or down. We like the moves up. Let's chop it. Hopefully we can chop this tree for a good week or two, probably one. It's hot as fuck outside. Just give me one good week, and then I'm not going to do shit for the rest of the month. One good week. 4-hour. Here we're starting to see that candle curvature that we like so much. Chinese trumpet. To the upside. Need to break this 64, 63.8 and get a 10% pump. 66% chance we go straight through. 66% chance. 2-hour, everything else pretty much the same. The 1-hour has been killing it. Let me clean up the chart. This past week, the 1-hour has been killing it. Oh my Lord, would you look at that? Damn. Tight trigger wave to the upside. Wow. Beautiful. Thick, say cheese. Slice a block of cheese off that. The blockchain, that cheese. Big outwardly curved cheese. There's enough cheese for everyone. And this ain't no Swiss cheese. This is Munster cheese. Because we're going to have a monster move, baby. Come on. Another tidbit. The 10-minute. On Sunday. If it's Sunday after church and NASCAR and it's time to trade, I'm trading the 10-minute. You might want to take a look at the 10-minute yourself, because whatever the trend, if it's up, you along the bottoms, along the bottom momentums. If it's going down, you short the top, short the top, short the top. It was the same thing last Sunday too, reversed to the downside. Beautiful money flow coming up on the 10-minute. Beautiful trigger wave on the 10-minute as well. 10-minute look like the hourly. We're looking for this Chinese trumpet to blow its little Chinese trumpet to the upside. I don't care what I was 2 days ago, a week ago, a month ago, yesterday, tomorrow. We're trading, man. We traders, man. 25% off. Code Platinum Market Cipher. Celebrating Mike Perry. He's going to put it on this Jake Paul boy. He's going to put it on him. Odds are paying very nice. I think Mike Perry's a plus 200, plus 300 underdog. I got a plus 300 and a plus 200 bet on him. Non-KYC trading, ZOOMEX, BloFin. And do you want to trade with our money, my money? Go to Breakout and watch those videos. I'll pull up the Dixie. And I'm going to pull up Pepe. But the Dixie. I know you guys want to see it. On the larger time frames, the daily, you know, is it at a double top? Hopefully. Screw the Dixie. Charts always look like shit anyways. Pepe is forming some nice curvature if Bitcoin can keep its strength. Pepe should do the same. Nice curvature forming right here. Nice curvature. Say cheese. There's your Pepe. Say cheese. Pepe should be an easy 5% in here. Maybe even more. Totally possible. I mean, that's a minimum 5%. Minimum. I'm talking right now too. Damn. Look at this VWAPage coming up right here. Let's clear this out a little bit. Some markings from the first time I was trying to record this video. Anyways, you guys get the point. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. What the hell's going on here? Here we go. Say cheese, VWAP, hourly curve coming to the upside. We are in the red on money flow on the 2 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. It's curving up. Nice trigger wave on momentum. I'm liking Pepe long right now. For a free 5%. Shit. That's huge, man. I should just take my trade out of Bitcoin, throw it into Pepe. That's why you see people making big money with Pepe. It's dangerous. Boy, it's dangerous. Boy, Pepe is dangerous. But this one looks nice. I'm calling minimum 5% move off Pepe right now. If it's wrong and you lose your ass, this ain't no advice. I ain't telling nobody what to do. This is what I'm doing and what I'm thinking. This is for entertainment purposes only. Are you not entertained? Shit. Looks like we successfully recorded this video. I wanted to stream, but my internet's been funky for these past few hours. But if this price keeps on going the way it's going, you know how we do it, baby. When we're in the green, we stream. This is your friend, CryptoFace. Good luck.